Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing a rope chain from Hawaii Rope Chains. I have a 4mm 14 karat prism cut joint. Oh yeah, you're gonna want to see this. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have my box from Hawaii Rope Chains. Got my trusty box cutter, man. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this joint, man. So peel back, gang, you know the vibes. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good old slice. Boom. Now let's see what we got here, man. Now I'm gonna say it's a good wrap job because there's a lot of tape and a lot of plastic on this. And when you make a purchase like this, you definitely want to make sure that everything is secure. So it might take me a second to go ahead and get through this box, but we gonna make it happen, man. Here we go. Okay, actually that wasn't so bad. We looking like we got some action already. Here we go. Boom. Peeling this part back. Let me go ahead and get my box cutter. Give me one more little slice. Boom. Alright, now look. So right here we do have another bag that's inside of the box. So here we go. Let's pull this out. Okay. Let's see. All right. Shipping. What does this say? Comes in a little plastic bag. You feel me? Just added protection. We're gonna go ahead and open this joint up. You feel me? And okay, we got another bag. I gotta slice this joker open. Let me go ahead and get my box cutter. Boom. Let's give it a little slice. We don't want to mess up the contents, you feel me? So let's see. Here we go. Alright. Oh, okay. Big shout out. First off, we do have, hold on, we got some these are, I guess, iPhone. These are chargers for iPhone, and it looks like maybe Android. I don't have an Android, so I don't know, but 2 chargers. Shout out for the chargers, man. You feel me? He always includes a charger, man, so these were free of charge. I appreciate that. Let me go ahead and get to the, oh yes sir, we got the Hawaii Rope Chains box right here. Here we go, black box. We have somewhat of a gold foil, and it just says Rope Chains, HawaiiRopeChains.com. So that's what it says right here on the front. Now you might be like, man, oh my goodness, we got another one. So we got a green charger, we got a red charger, we got a white charger. So you feel me? We got red, white, and green. Can't go wrong with that. We do have the pouch right here. Now this is the pouch, the Hawaii Rope Chain pouch. Here we go. And you're probably like, man, you already got a chain on, and I do. I have my Cuban on. This is a 11.4mm 20-inch Miami Cuban chain, handmade. And I did a review on this, so you can check, or actually I'll just leave the link in my description for this if you want to check this out. We have the authenticity card right here. This is a Prism Rope Chain, so it's going to be a little bit different than the it's going to be different from the diamond cut. And so that's one of the reasons why I did want to get this chain, because it is a little bit different. 4.2mm 18-inch 14 karat gold, and the gram weight is 29.03. so here we go. We got the information on this card right here. Kind of just gives you all of the statistics on this chain. Here we go. Now let's go ahead and get into the actual factual. So we got the little velvet joint. We're gonna take this out and ooh, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Time to open this joint up. Here we go. We got the 18-inch right here, 4.2 millimeters. Here we go. Take a little look-see at that. Hopefully you can get a little look at that. Yeah, man, this is looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Has a nice shine on this thing. And you're probably like, you know, why did you want to get a rope chain when you already have the Cuban? Now, I have the Cuban, and I feel like I was wearing the Cuban so much, like it was starting to become like a daily wear. And when I bought it, I didn't really want this to be like my everyday chain. So now since I have this, I can kind of switch up. I have a couple different other ones, but this one will be kind of more, you know, special occasion. And this will be more so on my everyday type chain, man. But this is looking really good. Very good. We have that prism cut. And here, let me see if I can get real close up on it for you guys. But there are some very, hold on. Let me see if I can block it. Very, very deep prism cuts. Let me see if I could turn it around for you. But you see it's what's reflecting that light. You're getting a lot of shine from them prism cuts. And it's actually pretty thick. It's like a little bit thicker than I expected. And I'm ready to just put this thing on, man. 14 karat. Looks good. I kind of wanted to go for that 18-inch because it's just more of a tailored look. You know, this one right here is 20-inch. So let me go ahead and take the 20-inch off. Let me go ahead and take this off, which I do love. So don't get it twisted. I love the Cuban. You feel me? Let me put this one down. But yeah, man, sometimes, you know, you got to do something different. And right here, I do have this 18-incher right here. Let me take the tag off. Yes, sir. Now I'm thinking, I'm not sure if I'm going to buy a pendant for this chain. I'm thinking about it. I might wear it, you know, solitaire just by itself, but let's see. All right. See, I can't even see it right now, but it feels good along the neck. You feel me? Something kind of short. I wanted that short, like I said, more of a tailored look. You feel me? Something if I'm going to the gym or I'm working out, you know, you don't want to have like an extra long chain. And I used to find myself working out with the Cuban on. I'm like, that's just doing too much. So now I got something a little bit smaller, a little bit more understated. You feel me? Now I'm gonna go outside so you can see what this looks like in the sunlight. I'll probably put a little piece on just so you can see what it looks like with a with like a charm, a pendant, medallion, you know, that type of thing. You feel me? But yeah, man, very excited. Can't wait to see what it looks like on. Let me go ahead and tuck it in real quick just so you can get some of that side shot. Here we go. Go ahead and turn to the side. Let you go ahead and get a little bit of that. Just a little neck action. You feel me? Like I said, not doing too much. But it is, it's pretty big, you know, like it's pretty big for like everyday wear. Like I can feel it along the neck. It feels like it's there, you know, and that's what I wanted. I wanted to make sure it's something that I felt it, but it's not like where it's just doing too much. Like I said, I was wearing that Cuban like almost every day. And I was like, man, I'm doing a little bit too much, you know, for the everyday. And the price was really good on this. And actually, my guy was having a Black Friday sale and he had a code for like 4% off. And you like 4% is nothing, but actually it came out to like, I think another 60 or 80 bucks off of the price, which was cool. You feel me? And he's actually doing another sale like that right now, like a holiday Christmas type sale. So if you go to the website, you can enter, I think it's holiday, but you know, don't quote me on that one. Just go to his Instagram and he has the promo code for like another 4 or 5% off. So you get 50 bucks, 60 bucks, 70 bucks off, something depending on, you know, how much your piece is. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and show you the outside joint on this. So yeah, so I came outside with it, man, you feel me? Chain definitely looks good. I went ahead threw the thermal on because it is a little chilly outside, man. But yeah, the chain is definitely hitting. I mean, it's a rope, it's a classic design, so you can't really go wrong with that, man. I'm a big fan, man. I'm happy I picked it up. The length is looking good. Like I said, I'll probably throw a little piece on there just so you can see what it looks like with a piece. You can't go wrong with the classic rope, man. And yeah, I hope this video, you know, helps you guys, you know, decide if the 4.2 is good for you. I'm 6 feet, 175 pounds, you feel me? So, I mean, that's just gonna give you another idea, man. But the chain is definitely shining. I mean, the Joker hitting, man. And the camera's not even doing it justice, but yeah, Joker is definitely hitting, man. And right here, I do have the ace pendant on. You know, I've had this piece for a while, and I just decided to throw it on here just so you can get an idea. And I actually like the way it looks, so I might be, you know, rocking that combo for a little bit. I'm actually thinking about getting something else made, but something a little bit smaller, you feel me? But this definitely looks good. Like I said, I mean, the 18 inches doing me right, you feel me? Pause. I just like the way that it's not too long. And I mean, like I said, I have other longer chains if I really want to do that. You know, do your chain hang low, do it wobble to the floor. Like if I want to do that, I got other chains for that. But right here, I'm just going for that more tailored kind of subtle look. And I mean, I don't even want to say it's subtle because I mean, it has a good amount of size on there, you feel me? But let me just go ahead, turn to the side again. Let me go ahead, turn, give you just a little bit more of that. Let me tuck it in so you get some more of that. There we go, right there. You know, just enough. Like, I feel like this is really good for everyday wear. I mean, but it can be kind of, I mean, it got some shine. Like, so you will stand out with it. Let me pull it back out real quick, man. Yeah, you'll stand out with it, man. And like I said, the price was right. He was running the sale, so you can't really go wrong, man. But remember, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got some more heat coming, man. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.